Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be opening up my winter sowing containers. Tomorrow we are getting a very hot day, 83 degrees, so I cannot keep these closed any longer. They do need to be opened. We're actually getting a stretch of warm weather. Last week we had 2 nights of freezing weather where I did protect them with some frost cloth. And anyway, so let's get started. Okay, first up is this Rebecca cherry brandy. These are seeds I actually collected about, 2 years ago. I actually have 3 little seedlings in here. That's awesome. Okay, delphiniums. They look nice. Got a couple of those. Rose campions, they always do really well. Look at that. A little too many, but that's okay. I'll separate those out. The poppy. I did actually open this before. So, let's see. So, I think they're okay. I'm not sure. There's a lot of them. All right, this is the Rhodechia, the ones that actually bought the seeds. That the tape is like practically melted. All right, lots of them came up. All right, Agastache licorice white, one of the ones I'm really looking forward to. So many little seedlings in there. They are a little overcrowded, but I'll have to take care of that. I see a spider in there. Hollyhock. One. I got one hollyhock. Lavender, elegance purple. Oh, those are looking really nice. These look fantastic. These are straw flowers. I had opened them already, but had to close them back up in the freezing nights. They look great. Another straw flower. This is the silvery rose. Also, I had opened up, but had to close it back up. It's also looking pretty good. Snapdragons. Forgot the variety on this. Those are looking fantastic too. Okay, these are Snapdragon First Lady. So the other ones, these were probably from Floret. My Floret seeds that I had ordered prior year and tried to grow them in, by sowing them, direct sowing them, and that didn't work for me. So that's a success. These are the seeds I bought this year. I think these were burpee seeds. Oh boy, I really taped this one. Wow, look at that. That looks great. All right, these are black-eyed, well, technically I think they're brown-eyed Susans. At least that's what the seed packet said. And those look fantastic. Okay, this is Bee Balm, Panorama Mix. These were from, I believe, Johnny Seeds. Wow. A couple really nice ones in there for sure. I did a second container of Bee Balm. Not as nice as the other one, but still, a lot of little seedlings in there. Lobelia, Great Blue. Wow, that is really overpacked. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Phlox. This is, I think, from last year that I bought from Floret. Several successes in there. Looks pretty. This is the Agastache lavender hyssop. It's looking beautiful. This is the cardinal flower. A lot of little babies, but I don't know. Should they be bigger by now? All right, just had an accident and I dropped this container. So let's see the damage. Oh boy. I have seedlings, but look, I am going to have to put these in separate containers, so I will be potting these up because, yeah, they can't stay like this, unfortunately. So sad that I dropped this. Which one's this one? Ah, purple coneflower. All right. Well, I'll take care of that soon. This is the coneflower green twister. Those are looking fantastic. Another green twister. Also looking fantastic. This one looks even better. This is the Coneflower Cheyenne Spirit. Oh, looks great. All right, this one is the lupine, which we can see through the plastic, so that's not as much of a reveal. They look good. This one looks like it actually got munched on, I think. Probably snails, so I do need to be careful. I might pot these up. This is, I believe, one of my cosmos. Yeah. Looks great. I believe this is another one of my cosmos. Also looks really nice. Calendula still looking great. Still only have like 4 little ones in there. The alyssum. I actually did put a few of the babies in my mom's garden, but I don't think they survived that frost, unfortunately. But I have a few here. I might plant some more of these seeds. Okay. Foxglove, Apricot Beauty. Winter sowed last year and they're doing really well. So did a few more. And I have so many in here. A little too many. It's crowded in there. Then I have this Foxglove Dalmatian. Wow, this is super hard. Well, that broke off the top, but that's okay. So, a lot of little seedlings in there. Might have to pot these up too. Foxglove Fairy. These are white foxglove. Okay, these got a little bit disturbed too. May have to pot these up. But they're looking good. A lot of little babies. Might try to pot some of these up though. All right, last 2 are my Columbine. And so far I don't think any of them germinated. So super sad about that. Let's look at the other one. Oh my gosh, I have one. Oh, one. Well, I won't give up on those. You know, maybe there'll be a few more that germinate. We'll see. All right, let me pot up a few of, in particular, that coneflower that I dropped.